guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. Since Navratri is around the corner, I decided to create this beautiful makeup look which will go with all your festive outfits. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. That's it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let us know in the comments below. And because you love our content so much, you can now join the MyGlamm and POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box below. And for more such content, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.